gardening friends. Today we are picking carrots. It is time to see if this year's carrot process was a success or if we're going back to the drawing board. First things first, let's pull these babies out of the ground. So far, we're looking pretty good. I'm usually a person who has carrots who are this big. So this, much improved. This, even better. Oh, look at this one. It's got some nice size around it. See these ones? This is my normal carrot production. Listen, I don't want to dig you guys out. Could you stop it already? These guys are holding each other. When you pull them apart, they're still two good-sized carrots. These carrots are pretty fun. Purple, yellow, I have some white ones. Okay, gardening friends. In previous years, this is the biggest carrot I could grow. But this year, the average sized carrot is this big. Look at the difference. So are you wondering how I did it? What did I change? This is what I do. Carrots need really loose, well-draining soil because the carrot part is in the ground. So if it's all dense and compacted, they have a hard time getting big because they're spending all their energy trying to push through the soil. So in this bed, before I planted my carrots, I put a ton of perlite. I mixed it all up. I got it really loose, full of the perlite, probably 3 or 4 times more perlite than I would put in any other bed. And then I did the same thing I always do, earthworm castings, blood meal, bone meal, and I planted my carrots, and these are my results. Now I could have been a little bit better at thinning them, but it's so hard to pull something out of the ground once it's germinated. So next year, I'm gonna try a little bit harder with the thinning of the carrots to give them more space so that we'll get more like these and less like these. These little ones are all from overcrowding. So that's my key to success for carrots. So you want to add perlite to your soil to make it really loose so that they have lots of room to grow. Okay, gardening friends, that's all for today. We're done with our carrots. Time to get these in. I cut off the greens, washed them up, and I put them in plastic bags sealed up in the fridge. That works for me, keeps them fresh for a really long time. You can also can them and freeze them. Just Google it and keep up your harvest. If you love to garden and preserve food and cook food from scratch, why don't you check out my next video, and I'll see you next time on Garden Avenue. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.